What's up, Feeling Shay Squad? So, I'm pretty sure y'all already know what's gonna happen. I'm gonna do it to him again, y'all. So, I'm about to act really ratchet and just see how much he could take before he go off. Cause y'all know he got a short temper. So, I'm just gonna be real ratchet, smacking my gum, putting on extra lip gloss. Y'all know how I do. And we gonna see how well he take it. Let's see how much he can put up with, y'all. Y'all know it's Team Shay. We finna cut up. Let's go.
A headache, nigga.
Don't worry about what I'm doing, okay? Oh my gosh, can you go? Hold on.
You look like you driving. It's a road rage for the passenger.
You in my business?
Sick.
Don't do that. Let me tell you what happened to me yesterday. Whew. So I went to the store, right? There was this girl in the store. She thought she was gonna look at me funny. I was like, do you wanna fight? Okay.
What store?
Family Dollar. I was like, do you wanna fight? Cause baby, what you looking at? I don't work jobs, bitch. I get my job. You don't like it, take it. Pay me for it. Hey.
Why is you acting like that? Why is you hollering? Shut up.
I can't holler.
What's wrong with you?
The fuck?
She ratchet?
Babe, strip for me.
Stop. Stop for a stop. Stop for a stop. You just doing too much and you loud.
Who?
Dang.
Who?
You sit back and enjoy the ride? Sit back and enjoy the ride.
Who doing too much?
Damn.
Who doing too much? Who? Who, baby?
Chill,
Who? Who doing? You know me? You know me? You know me? Baby, you mad?
You doing too much, bro. Dang, bro.
I'm sorry, baby. I just kidding. It was a prank.
Ain't no damn prank.
The
Ain't no
baby.
damn prank. You
It was
ratchet.
a
You
prank.
ratchet.
Babe, it was a prank.
Oh, you ratchet.
Y'all
Lame,
tell him it was a prank.
Lame, man.
Who ratchet? Who? Who ratchet? It was a prank, baby. You mad at me? Oh, I'm mad, y'all. Ew, look.